Hello there, this is Beth. I haven't done an Art Snacks unboxing in forever. I thought I'd do one today because I just got my Art Snacks and, well, I'm already filming. Okay. Carefully not stab oneself. I don't know what's in here. So, okay. What we got a little Dum Dum sucker. Looks like butterscotch. I swear Dum Dums get smaller and smaller every year. Ooh, what's in here? Stylo feature. Writing felt pen. Little 4-pack. Oh, that's nice. That's like fun. To open this up. And then we got little, I see a sticker today, which I can't really say I'm too sad about. Okay. Put that down there. Share your unboxing with us. Art Snacks. Got our little green thing here, which doesn't want to be opened. Someone has this down. It's like rolling up silverware. It was like 90 here yesterday, and now it's 63 today. And it's just, oh my god. I'm cold because I'm not used to the 60s. What do we got here? Okay. So, I got a Draftmatic, another mechanical pencil. I like this one. I use this one all the time. I like this one. I don't know. This one, I guess we'll find out if I like this one. If I don't, I'll just donate a little eraser thing. I could always use one of these. And a plume chester. A different plume chester. I have, this is Natsu. I don't know where it's at. I have another pen by this brand. It's like a brush tip. This one is not a brush tip. This one's a little fine tip, which I like fine tips. But I really, really love my other one by this brand. Where are they? Chester. Plum Chester. Really like these guys. Like my other pen a lot. I use it all the time. I would repurchase the other pen by these guys. So we'll see how this little fine tip one, because fine tip and brush tip are like two of my favorite kind of tips. Pencil, whatever. Yeah, I don't know. This one may get donated. 0.9. This one is a 0.5. Where's my, I don't know what. There's this one. This one is I'm just looking at like 0.9. So I didn't bring my glasses over here, so you're all gonna have to suffer with me. So this one's the same size as my Pentel. This is a Draftmatic. Alvin Draftmatic mechanical pencil. It's a pricey pencil, $14.50. Not that this one was cheap. I really like this one. I'd say these two have kind of become my go-tos. This one's a bit bigger. This is a 9 and this is a 5. And this one's also a 9, which is kind of nice because the last couple pencils they've said they've been mechanical have been 5s. So that's kind of nice. And it's HB. I always like smudgier. Okay, so yeah. What else is there? Moo Professional. Moo. I always use an eraser. This one has really quite, especially because I'm always like, it's nothing spectacular, but the mechanical pencil's like $14.50. The Stabilo pen set is $5.95. Really? So yeah, I'm kind of out of it. It's been very smoky here, and it's just hitting the point where everyone is coughing and kind of just your eyes itch, and it's just yuck. Yuck. Like, I don't know how many fires we have going on in this state anymore. This time I was at Incident Web. online. Like 26 pages. Montana fires. Like, holy moly, kids. It's a lot of fire. Okay, please let go. Unique tip for expressive writing. So I don't know how that's all that unique of a tip, but okay. Where are we? There we are. It looks like a tip to me. It looks like a tip. Yeah, I don't. Okay, whatever. Okay. That's a. Okay, whatever. Oh, shite. But it's a nice color. I like purple. I like this color. It's like a kind of turquoisey green color. And kind of acid green. I use this color quite a bit. Pink. Pink, fuchsia-y. Yeah, they're nice colors. There they go. Let's see how they go. I don't know what this is for. I guess this is for your pockeses. And you put it in your pockeses. I never have pockeses. I'm a girl. So, whatever. No pockeses. So, I mean, really, this is just stupid for me. I don't know. And it kind of gets in my way. I have to, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I'll use that and then see what happens. And I think that's it. That's kind of an underwhelming one. I'm kind of excited about this. Really, these, whatever. I'll figure out if I like them or not. Another mechanical pencil. Gotten like several mechanical pencils over the past, since I started subscribing. So it's like, I do like it. It's a 9, not a 5, a 0.5. But yeah, overall, I feel this one's kind of an underwhelming art snacks this month. Yeah, I'm kind of excited about this one thing, this pen. I'm kind of excited about. And I'll use, it's a pencil. I'll use it. I definitely like, is this one another? Yeah, this is another Pentel. Just like this one. I like how it holds, and same with this one. This one's got that kind of scratchy end on it, which is not my favorite. I think the other 0.5 I have, I don't really use because it has that kind of metal scratchy. I like this. Like, this is comfy. This is not scratchy. This is comfy. It's not scratchy. So I don't know. Yeah, I'm excited about this. I mean, I may or may not be later. Excuse me, excited about those, but you know, it is what it is. Okay. Well, that is art snacks this month, and yeah, I'm kind of a little underwhelmed, frankly. It's not very not an exciting one, but that's okay. They can't all be exciting because then the exciting ones wouldn't be exciting. They'd just be normal. But these clear mark making, well, my other Stabilo stuff is not some very water soluble. Is water soluble. It doesn't. It's not. Doesn't hang out there. It says they're water-based ink, robust, durable nylon tip. Yeah. You can leave the cap off up to 24 hours without drying, without them drying out. That's nice if you forget. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Maybe I'll, excuse me, do the little art snacks. A lot of pencily stuff. Art snacks challenge with stuff and see what I get. But yeah, okay. Bye. See ya. I don't know. Maybe I will do more art snacks unboxings now that I'm going to have some more time. Alrighty. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.